Ever wonder how Netflix knows what you want to watch next, or how Alexa answers your questions? That's artificial intelligence. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down in the simplest way ever. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when computers learn to think or act like humans. They can make decisions, solve problems, and even talk to us, just like a brain, but made of code. A famous computer scientist, John McCarthy, once said, AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. In short, AI is like giving brains to machines. What is machine learning? Now, machine learning, or ML, is a special type of AI. Imagine you're learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you fall, but over time, you learn from your mistakes. That's what machine learning does. You feed data to a computer, and it learns from experience, just like we do. So AI is the big idea, and machine learning is one of the ways we teach machines to learn. Example, if you show a machine 1,000 photos of cats and dogs, it learns what makes a cat look like a cat. Next time you give it a new photo, it can say, "Hey, this one's a cat." Pretty smart, right? What are neural networks? Now let's talk about neural networks. They sound scary, but they're really just computer versions of our brains. Our brain has billions of tiny cells called neurons that pass signals to each other. Neural networks copy that idea. Each neuron in a neural network takes in some information, does a small calculation, and passes it along, like a team of people whispering clues to solve a puzzle. Real-life example. When you ask Google, "What's the capital of France?" a neural network helps it understand your words and figure out the answer. Paris. Neural networks are used in self-driving cars, voice assistants, chatbots, like me, and even medical diagnosis tools. They're powerful because they can learn patterns, like faces, voices, or even emotions. What are decision trees? Now let's make it even simpler. Imagine you're trying to decide what to eat. You ask yourself, "Am I hungry? Do I want something sweet or spicy? Do I have pizza at home?" Based on your answers, you decide what to eat. That's a decision tree. It's literally a tree of choices, where each branch is a question and each leaf is a decision. For example, a machine might ask, "Is the email from a known person? Does it have weird links? Is it trying to sell something fast?" If yes, 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 then it's spam. That's how decision trees help machines make smart choices step by step. Why does this matter for the future? AI, machine learning, neural networks, and decision trees are not just cool tech stuff. They're changing our lives. From Siri on your phone to robots in factories, AI is making life easier, faster, and even more fun. In the future, AI might help doctors cure diseases, help farmers grow more food, or help teachers give personal lessons to every child. So remember, AI is like a smart brain for computers. Machine learning is how they learn from data. Neural networks copy how our brains work. Decision trees help them make smart choices. As the great Alan Turing once said, "Machines can think," and today they really can. So next time you talk to Siri or see a self-driving car, you'll know it's not magic. It's just smart machines doing their thing. Tell us in the comments, which AI tool do you use every day? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more fun, simple tech explainers. See you in the next one.